Hi and welcome. My name is Ron Saker. In this video, I'm going to take you through my nifty little research script here. Actually, it's nothing fantastic. It's pretty basic. You just go and collect a lot of keywords on whatever subject or niche that you're going to be targeting. In this particular case, I got pretty wide terms here: animals. So I just went into Google initially, asked for a large list of animals, got these, put them into the software. If you have spaces, then you replace them with a plus. I know it's a pain in the butt, but hey, it makes it a lot easier to use this tool. Now down the bottom here, you'll see there's a lot of tabs. You can do a Google research search, you can do Amazon search, you can do Amazon Notebook, you can do Amazon Journals, Amazon Cookbook, Amazon Grid, Amazon Recipe Notebook, Guest Book, Diaries. Then you can go have a look at Etsy to see what's popular around there. Then you can go to Pixabay and see if you can get any free images. Then you can go to Pinterest and see what people are pinning on the keywords that you're searching. You can also go to Twitter and see if there's anything being done there on Twitter. You can go to Wikipedia and get some more information on whatever you're searching for. And then you can go to Quora, see if anybody's asking any questions on whatever you're researching. So it's quite involved, and I think it's a great way of doing your research. So as I said, in this one particularly here, you can click on there and that'll open up your web browser with the Aardvark sketchbook. You can do some more search through there, have a great nosy. Then you can go to the Amazon, and these are all pre-worded with the sketchbook or notebook or whatever. So we can just click on here, Aardvark sketchbook. It will always open up in Amazon under the books. Let me show you. I need to make this a little bit smaller. Bear with me as I have a lot of fun playing here. Okay, so as you can see here, that's the search criteria. It's opened up in books and Aardvark sketchbooks. You can see that there's not really a lot here. There's no BSRs at the moment, so although there are books up here for Aardvarks, it looks like nobody's actually buying them. So oh, hang on, here's one, drawing animals, and that has kind of an Aardvark on there. So, you know, just use this to go through and have a look. It says there's 14 results for a paperback Aardvark, so, you know, that's probably not a very good niche to go looking for. So what do we go down here? African wild dog. Let's have a look what's in there for Amazon. Excuse me. So there's only 3 results. So again, that's probably not a very worthwhile niche to go after. So we go to Amazon Notebook and let's see, American Cocker Spaniel for argument's sake. So let's see what's in there. So now this is looking a little bit better. There's 208 results and still no BSIs, no rank found, no rank found. Well, there's one. It is being sold, but it's got a very high BSI, so I'd throw a couple of books in there all about the American Cocker Spaniel and see what's stuck. There's another one, so you know, it could be well worth it. It's a good friend of mine said if it's got a couple of books being sold in there, I'm going to go throw a few in there because I want mine to be found and bought as, you know, so you could have 1,000 different niches selling 1 or 2 books to get a good income. So let's see, let's have a look at journals. It's Eskimo dog. Let's see if there's anything in Amazon for an Eskimo dog. Well, there you go. 320 results. Again, there's no... Oh, there it is. So that one sells very well. So it's in the top 100. So this is definitely a good niche to get into. Even though there's only one there with a good... Oh no, there's a reasonable one. So it is selling. So again, and there's another one. So, you know, I'd get in here easily, you know, and go have a look. And don't forget to always go to the next page just to get an idea of what the designs are that are selling. You know, nothing fantastic. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Have a look initially on Google and get a great big list of dogs, cats, fish, birds, trees, flowers, plants, whatever, and then just throw them in here, you know, into the keyword research section, and then go through all these here and just go see what's available. American Bulldog, here we go. We'll just do this one for the last. American Bulldog notebook. Okay, 625 results. So again, that doesn't mean to say that there's a lot of buyers in here, but there's a lot of people that like bulldogs. Now, sold by Amazon, yeah. No BSIs here. Although a lot of people love bulldogs, looks like there's not very many people buying anything about bulldogs. No, it's funny that. Oh, there's one. So you really got to dig deep to see if it's really worthwhile getting in here. And there's another one. So again, it would be worthwhile throwing in 3 or 4 American Bulldog notebooks and just see what sticks. Okay, well that's it about the software. There's nothing really hard about it. Go get your keywords, put them in here, and then just follow through and start doing your research. Okay, well, I'm out of here. My name's Ron Saker, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.